Can an LLC be a partnership? Yes, an LLC can function similarly to a partnership, especially in terms of taxation and ownership structure, but it is legally distinct from a traditional partnership. Here's how it works. 1. LLC and Partnership. Key differences. Legal structure. LLC, a limited liability company. LLC is a legally recognized entity that provides liability protection to its members. Partnership. A partnership is not a separate legal entity, except in the case of a limited partnership, and does not inherently provide liability protection to its partners. Liability protection. An LLC shields its members from personal liability for business debts and obligations, whereas partners in a general partnership are personally liable. 2. LLC taxed as a partnership. By default, a multi-member LLC is taxed as a partnership unless it elects to be taxed as a corporation, S Corp or C Corp. How it works. The LLC's profits and losses are passed through to its members, who report them on their personal tax returns, Form 1065 for the LLC and Schedule K1 for each member. 3. Similarities between an LLC and a partnership. Ownership flexibility. Both LLCs and partnerships can have multiple owners, called members in an LLC, and partners in a partnership. Pass-through taxation. Profits and losses flow through to the owner's personal tax returns, avoiding double taxation. Customizable agreements. LLCs have operating agreements. Partnerships have partnership agreements to define roles, profit sharing, and decision making. 4. Converting a partnership to an LLC. A general or limited partnership can be converted into an LLC to gain liability protection while retaining pass-through taxation. Steps. File articles of organization to form the LLC. Create an operating agreement to outline ownership and operational terms. Transfer assets and liabilities from the partnership to the LLC. Conclusion. An LLC can operate like a partnership, particularly if it is a multi-member LLC that opts for partnership-style pass-through taxation. However, an LLC offers significant advantages such as liability protection and greater flexibility. For those considering forming or converting to an LLC, consulting with a legal or tax advisor is recommended to determine the best structure for your needs.